everyone, welcome back to English Pinnacle. Today we are going to discuss some of the most commonly used English idioms that will make you sound more like a native and will also make your conversations more enjoyable and engaging. So let's get started. First, let's quickly define what an idiom is. An idiom is an expression or a phrase where the meaning is not directly related to the individual words. For example, if someone says that it's raining cats and dogs, it doesn't actually mean that animals are falling from the sky. It means that it is raining very heavily. First idiom is break the ice. This doesn't actually mean breaking the ice, but it means that someone is doing or saying something to start a conversation in a socially awkward situation. For example, when you are meeting new people, telling a joke might help in breaking the ice and also will make people more comfortable with you. Next idiom is piece of cake. It is used when you want to describe something that was not very challenging and was very easy to attempt. For example, if you find an exam very easy, then you could say that the exam was a piece of cake, which means that the exam was not challenging or tough at all. Another idiom is hit the nail on the head. This is used to describe something that is exactly causing the situation or something that is accurately correct at that point. For example, if in a business meeting someone identifies the accurate reason for the loss of the company, then you could respond with you have hit the nail on the head. Another idiom is under the weather. It is commonly used when you want to describe that you are not feeling well. For example, I am feeling a bit under the weather today. Lastly, we have bite the bullet. This idiom is used when you have to endure a painful situation which cannot be avoided. For example, when you have to give a presentation and you are nervous about it, you can say, I will just have to bite the bullet and do it. Let's do a quick review of the idioms we have learned today. Break the ice. Start a conversation in an awkward situation. Piece of cake, something that is easy to do. Hit the nail on the head, get something exactly right. Under the weather, feeling ill or unwell. Bite the bullet, endure a tough situation. Now let's practice using these idioms in our sentences. Comment below the sentences which uses the following idiom. That's all for today's lesson. Idioms are a great way to sound more natural and fluent in English, so keep practicing them. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe to English Pinnacle for more such fun and easy English lessons. We see you next time. Bye.